See, I didn't. Go for it.
I think it's stuck. Ooh, there we go, baby boy. It's squishy. It's squishy.
What the fuck are you talking about?
His fart.
Is it actually recording this time?
It's so upsetting that we couldn't. It's so sad that we didn't get your fucking bust ass on.
Come on, Sarah.
Oh, we didn't get your noises. She won't do it because she's already.
Hey, you guys! Ah! Ah! Most is for you.
It's for Melissa?
Melissa does that too.
I know. Oh, yeah, I know.
Ha! Ha, you guys! Ha!
She looks so retarded.
Hi, you guys!
Those people are watching you so hard.
Hey, guys! Ha!
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop now.
Just
That's our holder. That's our holder.
Did you hear that? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Did you fart and choke at the same time, John? Is that what that was?
No, I'm just choking on something.
I'm gonna listen to Justin Timberlake Summer Love because I love it.
Alright, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, bye.